In this video, I'm going to unbox the Pioneer DJ DM40, which is the 4-inch active monitor speaker. So let's see what's in the box and let me give you a little bit of first impressions about this product. Let's go. Hey, what's good you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So I went to the music store last week, which is Soundglitz here in Bangalore, and I spoke to the owner there. His name is Siddharth. I asked him, bro, give me the best speakers that can go very well with my home DJ setup. And this is what he recommended, and he also tells me that this is one of the most popular recommendations even online and everywhere. So he tells me this is one of the best that you can pick up. So here we have it. Let's unbox and see what's inside the box, and let me give you a bit of the first impressions. So let's do the unboxing. Alright, so there you have it. This is the box and you can see the sticker. It's from Soundglitz and the price on it is 17,600 rupees. But I'm sure you can get a discount on that if you speak to the owner. On the top left corner, you can see the Pioneer DJ branding and you can see that it is the DM40 Active Studio monitor. When it says DM40, it's actually the 4-inch active monitor speaker. And guess what? It is clearly saying that it is for DJing and creating tunes. But let me tell you that this is not a flat response speaker, okay? That is something that you should remember. And on the top you have the import sticker and that's about it. Nothing much on the box, to be honest. On the left you can see that it is manufactured in 2018, and yes, this is an old product, but it is still very popular and they have never done any other changes. This is in black color, but you also get this in white, and that is called DM40W. But this is the black version, so it's the DM40. And on the left, on the back actually, this is something which you should know, okay? What it has rich bass sound and clearer sound quality achieved despite of its compact desktop size. When it says desktop size, the size of it is quite small. But let's see about the rich bass and all that. We'll talk about that in the review of the product. Then you have a bass reflex duct at the front, and the groove technology produces a powerful kick sound. Basically, this is a front duct speaker. It is very good in case you're planning to keep it very close to the wall. And this is the interesting thing. It actually has a convex diffuser on a new shape, which basically improves the high frequencies and provides a bigger sound. But let's see about that in the review. So let's quickly unbox from the top. This is my unboxing knife. Okay, very important. Make sure that when you're removing the product from the container, never hold it by the tweeter. You will actually damage the tweeter. So be careful when you're removing the product from the box, okay? And that is why this kind of instructions are important. Come on, next we have the warranty card. We're going to keep that aside. Then we also have a small document which is about their authorized service centers in India. Interesting. So this product was packaged for India. What else do we have? Okay, so this is an important thing. Apart from the manual, you also get 2 foot pads, and these will help you in creating like a dampening thing under the speaker. It's quite nice that they've added that. Next, I think, is the speaker. So let's get rid of the packaging. Okay, keep these for future. This is the speaker, this is the second speaker. And remember, do not touch the tweeter. So we're gonna hold it from the sides. They're heavy. I didn't expect them to be this heavy, but let's keep them aside. 1 and 2. That's about it. I think that's all that is there in the box. I'm gonna keep the box aside. Alright, let's keep the documentation aside as well. Alright, so these are the speakers. Let's get rid of the packaging on this. Okay, so there is another tape here at the bottom. A nice yellow tape this time. And there you have it. Wow, look at that, guys. Nice. Alright, just to let you know, this is fiberglass. Let's check out the other one as well. Interesting, this has a transparent sticker. Nice. Check that out, guys. This is how the speakers look. Nice. I think this is the left speaker. Oh, this is the right speaker. Check this out, guys. Yes, this is the right speaker. And there is the wiring. Of course, guys, there was this packaging inside of the bag which I forgot to open. But yes, what it has is a power cable, an aux cable, and basically a cable to connect the speakers together. Alright, so guys, this is the left speaker, this is the heavier one, and this is lighter because this is mainly the guts of the speaker. And if you can see, this has all the information about the speaker. On the top, this is where you can connect the speaker on the right. Okay, the cable is provided in the box, and these are the two kinds of input, the RC input and the 3.5mm headphone jack input as well, which is nice. And this is where you can connect your power cable, and you have the on off button, and this you have only on the left speaker. On the right speaker you don't have that. Check this out. Alright, so basically this is a slave. This is only going to run if you connect it to this, but this has the amplifier built in, and that is why it's called the active speaker. Alright, wow, this is nice. This is heavier than the other, and as I mentioned earlier, this is fiberglass and this is a 4-inch dome. Okay, and this thing over here, can you see this? This is what they were talking about. This little shape here is what is responsible for making the sound bigger from the tweeter, and the tweeter also works differently. The high frequencies sound different according to this little design that they've added. I'm not sure if that is a marketing gimmick, but we will see that in the review. And that's about it. What else is there? Oh yeah, there is a headphone jack at the bottom. Alright, and these are the two ducts, which is basically, this is a forward firing woofer or speaker. And you can see that this is where the LED will light up when you connect the speaker. And this is the volume control. So there you have it, guys. This is what you get in the box. Alright, now let's quickly talk about the build quality, because that is the first thing that I noticed after unboxing this speaker, and that is that it is built very well. It has a very solid construction and it feels very good, and it looks very good as well. In fact, even the shape on this is quite nice. This is one of the good looking speakers out there in this price range. And apart from that, they tell me that the reason to have this shape is also because the speakers will not rattle or vibrate even on higher volumes, but that is something that I need to test. So I'm going to quickly connect these speakers now. I'm going to use this for a week, and then I'm going to come back with a review about this product. So if you are interested to watch that video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified when that video is out. The price on this speaker is 17,500 rupees here in India, but I'm pretty sure that if you call Soundglitz and find out the price, I'm sure you will get a little bit of discount on that as well. So if you're interested to pick up this product, the link for this will be down in the description box. Please go ahead and check that out as well. So there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and the first impressions of the Pioneer DJ DM40, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.